Hey guys, welcome back to another frequently asked questions video. And in today's video, I'm going to be explaining to you how you can basically pay on Shein with the Visa, the gift card. So come here and click on me right here on your profile, and you want to click on the gift card option right here. Okay, and right here, guys, what you need to do is just input your Visa gift card number and enter the PIN, and then you can click on check balance, and then you would basically be adding to your balance, an amount. So you'd be adding funds to your balance, and then you would see the funds pop in your wallet. And then when you basically go to purchase something, for example, let me show you my card. I had put some AirPods in. Click on cart right now, and then you can basically purchase these AirPods using your Visa gift card. The balance you had put into Shein. So it's literally that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video helps you out. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to our channel. Subscribe to frequently asked questions and turn on those bell notifications to get notified of the next video. And I'll see you guys in the next one.